Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. And let's talk about motivation. There's three types of motivation. So not only are there three essential systems for business success, there's three types of motivation. Motivation that you have to, again, recondition your mind and really find out, why are you doing this? What motivates you to become a successful freight sales agent? For some of you truck drivers, you've heard how well freight agents do, how much money they make. Well, believe me, the top 3% make money. All the rest make nothing. Why? Because they don't motivate themselves and they don't follow through. However, let's talk about three forms of motivation. Your first form of motivation is your spiritual motivation. Now for me, my spiritual motivation comes from the Bible. It comes from the Bible. So let me ask you a question. What do you suppose is the #1 bought and read book in the world? Answer, it's the Bible. So if it's so popular, and believe me, I read it, I utilize it because I believe in it. If I do that, I am going to share it with you. So first form of motivation, spiritual. I get my spiritual motivation from the Bible. I'm letting you know this up front right away. Second form of motivation is mental motivation. Mental motivation. Now, how do we change and develop and increase our mental motivation? Well, you can do this from a number of different ways. First of all, you can get self-help books, okay? And these are available everywhere. There are so many different authors that teach you how to motivate yourself. So there are self-help books. Now for me personally, hey, I mentioned my freight sales success quotes earlier for sale in my freight sales success store. To me, that's a self-help book. My freight sales success skills is a self-help book. My freight sales success guide is a self-help book. There are training CDs. These are available everywhere. There's also training DVDs and movies. Again, I'll bring up my own training, my freight sales training, both specifically for me on my podcasts, my blog posts, and my videos. And there's educational TV. There's educational TV everywhere that you can utilize to motivate yourself. However, I do recommend that you watch no news shows. Do not watch any news shows. If you want to get tripped up in your motivation and in your ladder to success, just watch just watch news shows. Believe me, it's all drama and chaos. Okay, it's geared for you to tune in and basically watch all the negative that's going on in the world today. Trust me. When you do that, you're going to be tripped up and you're going to wonder, why am I doing this when all this negative stuff is going on in the world today? So educational TV, leave out any related type of news show. One second here. Third type of motivation for you to generate is physical motivation. What is physical motivation? Basically, it's a routine exercise program. Even if you start walking every day, whether it be for a quarter mile, half a mile, a couple miles, whatever it is, start doing something to get your body in a physical routine. You'll be amazed at what happens as you become more and more healthy. So three forms of motivation. There's spiritual, there's mental, and there's physical. Make sure, I say it again, make sure you work and you develop and you increase and you increase all three forms of motivation. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.